Today I'm thinking to do point perspective. So this is my paper and I put the ruler here in the middle of the paper. I'm going to make as much as big line you can draw. Try to draw one big line, and to make this one more easy, let's do points. Like this is A point, you can do one or two, doesn't matter, and this is B point. Now today I'm not going to do in the middle. I will make sure this is little bit left side. So suppose I want here, you can make a dot wherever you want, and then I'm going to connect with alphabet A point. So from here I will go and connect this one, and at the same time I will go and connect this one to B. So we can say this is A, this is B, and this is C. Now we can pick a line over here, as this is going to be a straight line. You can use ruler or you can just draw a straight line. So another point I created, alphabet D you can say, or if you are doing numbers it will be fourth number. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to start from here and I will go all the way to B. And same thing I will do to this side. Now this is going to be the length for the vehicle, so we can start doing one straight line over here, and maybe this one is the front, so I will do a little bit small, and this is the side one. Now you can see this point here, and this is the B point. So I will start from here and I will go to alphabet B point. And this point will go to alphabet A. We don't need these lines that much dark, so let me erase and make them light. So this is the line, and this is almost like a middle, so just a little bit here I'll make it dark. You can do a little bit here or there, that's totally fine. This point will go to all the way to A. So now I'm not going to draw all the way up here, I will just draw here on the box. Now I'm thinking this much height over here. So if I'm thinking this much height, or maybe a little bit tall or small, you can do it, and this height has to go all the way to A. So I will not draw the whole thing, I will just draw here, and the same point will go all the way to B, this side too. So if you are confused, like you don't know how much you have to draw, so you can draw all the way to B, that's totally fine. And from here, this point is touching this box, so from here we will do straight line, and we will make this line light. This is this side, so I want this one to be small and this one to be a little bit bigger, so maybe here. So this is the line I can see, and here, yeah, this is fine. So let's erase inside line. So the shape here is the same thing I'm drawing here. Now from here it will go to B, this point. So I'm just going to draw here. This point will go to A. Oops. Again, it's a little bit wiggly. So you can see this is a big box, and then there's a small box on the top. One over here and one here. How to know that how big we have to draw, because this is front, so it is going to be a little bit bigger than this one. So let's erase this one, and we can pull this one and this much height if we want. So you can see how big. So from here we can draw a line, and even here if I'm looking for this much height, so my paper is moving. So this is the B, and I want this height here, right, for this one. So the other tire height is going to be here. So this looks a little bit high over here. So this one is going to be the shape here, and this one is going to this way. And let's erase this part. Same thing for the light. Suppose I want one here, so on the bottom of this one, this will go all the way to A, so we will know this one is not going to be same size like this. Here and here, anything you want to draw in the middle, yes, you can go ahead and draw. So these corners we are going to curve them. So from here I will curve this one, and same thing I will curve this one. This line will come and go this way. Just look like a little bit down, more down and little less. So what I'm going to do, I will create this one a little bit up, because this line is supposed to be in the middle. Same thing I will do here. And this one will go this side. So if you are doing any dots or anything, you can do the one side, let this side, and these will go. Same thing for this line. This one, I'm making it light now. So this line was straight here. Instead of that, I will turn this one in. Same line I will draw here. This one is fine, straight. This one is a little bit curved. Now from here I will do double line. I can do double line these ones, and from here this was my line. Same thing I will do curve here. If you want a little bit shorter, this one, go ahead. So this is the basic. Let me use the pen. Let me erase all my pencil lines now.